Welcome to MissionKeeper. What you're seeing now is a live feed from our pilot in Oregon, Vincent Dixon, who is flying a Mavic Dual Enterprise Dual using our mobile app that is integrated with the DJI control systems. On the right side, you're seeing telemetry and you're seeing where the platform is looking and where the platform has looked. In the middle, you're obviously seeing a beautiful video stream. And on the left side is the collaborative environment, which is where you see all the users that are logged in. There's a live chat feature, and you can invite multiple users either before the mission or during the mission on an ad hoc basis. You can invite users as guests, so you can scale to more or less unlimited number of users to respond to a specific incident. And we're streaming a 720p stream over LTE at about 1.5 megabits up. The beauty of this system is that it's masking all the complexity. It may appear to be really easy to stream video like this, and we all do it over Netflix and YouTube. But when you're trying to stream in real time over LTE and other networks, you're dealing with thousands of micro breaks. And those micro breaks are taken care of on the main streaming channels because they buffer. So you're typically 20, 30, or 40 seconds behind. If you're trying to reduce latency, and we're typically at about 3 to 5 seconds, then you have to deal with all of those micro breaks in the cloud. And that is part of what MissionKeeper brings to the table, which is a highly sophisticated encoding engine in the cloud and some really thoughtful network management. The other thing we've really made sure we can do is you can bring in multiple streams. So you'll see under the video window, we have a Vincent's stream down there. And we have Mike Seabar, who is in California, and he has just an iOS device with the application on it. Mike, do you think you can fire up a stream, please? So that what we're trying to do is give any user real situational awareness. You're able to stream from multiple sources in the public safety arena. You can have a drone focused on the front of a building. You can have potentially an officer on the back of a building. And you can, as you can see, you can switch between these streams really, really easily. In the remote inspection world, you could have a drone doing a cell tower inspection, and then of course an engineer underneath looking at the equipment in the equipment shed or underneath pipework or other kinds of infrastructure. Vincent, what I'd love for you to do is, let's just take a look at latency. Maybe if you can bring the platform to a halt. And then let's just do a very quick latency test. I'll do a countdown from about 5. And maybe at the right moment, you can just slew to the left. And we can see what kind of latency we're getting. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, turn. And I think what you're seeing there is probably about 3 seconds, 3.5 seconds, which is really nice. The picture's remaining beautifully smooth. Cody, I think the platform you're flying is equipped with thermal.
That is correct, John.
Is there a chance of you switching to a thermal image that we can take a look at?
Absolutely, here it comes.
So again, demonstrating the flexibility of the platform, you can be in contact with the pilot, as I am. I'm sitting in California, by the way, so I'm 1,000 miles away. Right now we've switched to thermal. We can, of course, switch back to regular video, if you don't mind doing that as well. That would be great. And the other thing I can do is I can start looking at, if I saw something earlier on in the mission and I want to go back, I can just go back and do a rewind and a fast forward, and I can take it all the way to live, just like you would expect with any DVR video player. Super useful when you're collaborating with people and somebody says, hey, I just saw something over there. Can you go back and take a look? Everything is archived. Everything is available. You're able to offload the video to your own systems as you need to. And really, like I said, this is designed to be as simple as possible to use. User management is included, calendaring is included, mission planning is included. So that really is the MissionKeeper system as it is today.